welcome back to another video with your boy Methusan Vlogs. Right now, yeah, you can't see me. Right now, I have to send this parcel back to Amazon. It's our parcel here, yeah. Because this is it's basically, I bought my dad some trousers of Amazon for work here, and apparently the site's big. So I have to go and return it to some like Hermes location site. Long thing, and I have to get trim after. My hair's on the madness today. Can't pick the box. Right there. You're looking like this. Shit. My hair's on madness. This send the parcel. This have a QR code. Let me fill it up. Right now, fill it up. Yeah, okay. The fuck is it? Oh, it's like I'm disabled. That is pretty sick though, not gonna lie. Oh, it's good to take it off. Oh, that's a long thing, I can't do it with that. Is that all, yeah? Just stick on, yeah, and it's done. I get to like sign it.
You print the label there, yeah?
Yeah.
Just put it on the top there.
Put it on here?
Yeah.
That's it, yeah.
What's your name, initials?
Methusan, MT.
MT.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you. Have a nice day. Yeah, thank you. Man said Corona. That's where it is. I come on with my boy. Going to get a trim at Babs. Get the fresh skin fade, shape up the moustache, the beard obviously, you know the beard, see that? You see the beard? You see the beard, bro? The outline's coming, the outline's coming. Yeah, you got a full of beard though, it's mad. This shit windy as fuck, oh my god. Look at my hair, bro, in the wind. Shit. 80p. We should do like a video on that, bro.
Go to the crate.
No. You buy it, we just finish the first.
Oh, what is it?
80 piece. Huh?
Vegetarian.
Oh shit. I should get you like vegetarian.
Vegan.
Yeah, exactly, bro. Vegan popcorn chicken. Shit is like, oh shit, okay. It's vegan popcorn chicken. Alright, come, Babs. Let's go. You're getting your trim first still. Hey man, it's your boy Methusan Vlogs back with another video, you know what I'm saying? Hope all of you are healthy, doing good, especially in these hard times with Roro going around, you know what I'm saying? You can't really see me, can you see me? Yeah, with Roro going around, so much crazy shit is happening right now. It's a bit of a madness, we might go into a lockdown again, you know. I ain't sure, so we'll see what happens, but hopefully, I don't know. I don't know if lockdown's a good thing or not, because like I can just be home the whole time just chilling, you get what I'm saying? But yeah, hopefully all of you are healthy, social distancing, all that bullshit, you know what I'm saying? Do all that, just chilling, you get me? But today, we're going to be linking up with my boy Ben, go for a little drive, you know, chill a bit, Cause you know, in these times you need to chill, you get me? Like people be stressing about this and that. It's gonna link up, chill, go for a little drive, this and that, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, yeah, so that's it, you know, the whip's parked right here. Let me see, you can't see it. Woo! Yes, sir. Let's turn this bad boy on. Woo! See the lighting as well, got the nice blue lighting. Let's get it, let's get it. See, the thing is, yeah, I can't drive and vlog at the same time because the car's a manual, right? So I'll have to keep changing gears and shit, you know what I'm saying? I have to keep changing gears and stuff, so I can't vlog, talk to you guys and drive at the same time. Unless I buy a new car, hopefully, you know, in a few years. You know what I'm saying? Buy a new car, nice milk or something. But for now, it's dangerous driving with one hand as well. The popo will get me, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so yeah, we're gonna link up with my boy Ben. I'll see you lot when I get there. Let's get it. I already know, put up with my boy Ben, you know what I'm saying? Come on, got the whips here, the little mini going on, my car here. But there's a little car show going on right now, some shit like that. I saw a few cars parked over there, man, you know what I'm saying? Alright, come on, show off the car, bro. What did you do to the car, man? Yeah, it's calm, bro. Show the man them, innit? Look at the car. So we got
2005 Mini Cooper R50.
Okay. See, you got the red brake calipers. You see that?
Black Cooper S17s.
Okay. I like
John
that.
Cooper Works. Aero body.
See the exhaust. Holy shit.
Yeah, don't watch that.
Jeez. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, R50s. Yeah, I don't know what that means, bro. Still, you know what I'm saying? R50s. I should have smoked the lights, you know. Smoke the lights.
Cooper Works. Body kit.
Okay. Yeah, junk. Okay, whatever that means, I don't know what that means though. Still, innit? Like junk.
What are you talking about?
Bruv, look at my whip, bro. Mine got all the smoked headlights here. You know what I'm saying? Smoke badge.
This is looking
The
tired.
Tyler, bro. It's worn out, fam.
Tipex.
I've been too much drifting, innit? The tire.
You must drift on the side of the tire.
Yeah. It's a little. I look with pinstripe, yeah. So the car looks more sick on the side. You get me? The pinstripe, yeah.
We should get Mert to go out his car.
Huh? I love that. These man are white. Don't shoot white man like that. What do you mean? No, you're calm, yeah, but them man are not, fam. Oh, yeah, see that. Look at this, bro. Yeah. Yeah, fam, look. It looks hard from the back, innit? Look. Yeah. I thought the bumper's too big though. I don't like it, fam. It's like a big bunda, fam. You get what I'm saying?
No, mine's got a bigger bunda.
Nah, fam.
Bunda check on the whip.
Yeah, my thing's why it's like yeah, fam. It's like Kylie Jenner, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like it's going like this and it's like this. Real quick and that. Got the samurai sticker as well. Samurai. Some Chinese thing I like. Samurai. Freezing. It's freezing. Shit dirty. Nice golf. Can't lie. Nice golf. Pops up banks. Rooms are nice still, fam. Nice rooms, polished. The wrap looks hard, fam. The little matte wrap. Shit is hard as fuck. Jeez. Shit, that shit sounds sick though, can't lie. Sounds sick. It's obviously been upgraded, innit? Got 2 exhausts and this and that. I think it's a go for like GTI, yeah, but it's been like upgraded fucking so much. Yeah, there's a little car show going on. We just came here to link up here with 2 of my mandem, right? And this other man just pulled up out of nowhere, you get me? Like, little car meet up. I haven't followed the car meet up. You know what I'm saying? He's saying my car meet up. I'm just here chilling, you know what I'm saying? My car can't match them cars, bro. It's a little 100 bhp car, yeah. My car can only do bits. My car can only do bits, fam. You know what I'm saying? Just chilling, little bit chilling. What are these man doing, fam? Can you even hear me at this point? It is too cold right now. It feels like -20. My toes are all frozen. You get what I'm saying? I don't know what these lot are doing. These lot are just revving a car here. Imagine one car here. It doesn't even have. It has fucking speakers, right? And it plays a car song through the speakers. Like, what the fuck? This man, cheapskate thing, you know what I'm saying? Cheapskate, you don't care about. I can't trust. Oh fuck, the keys. Shit. Oh, I lost my keys. Oh shit. I think this man is moving. Allow them. I can't trust people, bro. Some man don't know how to drive. Go on. Okay. Why is my? Oh, these man are chilling, fam. Why is everyone revving a full, fam? Some girl pulls up on a Fiat 500. Like, what are you gonna do? Gonna drag this and shit. Like, what the fuck? Alright, yeah, we're in tier 3, yeah. What the fuck? Why this man? What is man doing? Some guy just put up like a Mazda or some shit. I don't know what it's called. I haven't been part of this, you know what I'm saying? I'm the only brown guy here as well. Yeah, I'm the only brown guy here. Everyone else is white. I don't, you know what I'm saying? Everyone else is white. You know what I'm saying? I'm out of my comfort zone right now. I'm outside of my comfort zone. Full of white people everywhere. Where the brown down? Where the Asian man at, man? They're violent. Look what they doing, look. That nigga man seen here. I'm out of my comfort zone. Full of white people, no Asian man. This ain't my thing, can't lie. I have to dip, you know what I'm saying? Ain't too safe for the brown man. What's this guy doing? It's a nice golf though. No cap. Ain't gonna cap, it's a nice golf. Hey, we gotta go far in the building, man. Go far. Jeez. That's hard. That's hard. Oh, they ain't gonna cut. My God, dude, bro. I'm opening up some nice cars and still. I love the full focus, but I know what this guy's doing this still. Oh, that's shit. I'm out of fuck. What the fuck?
For the hoe without the drama. Swear to God I love your mama. Took a shopping Ferragamo. I just run out the check. She just grab on my neck. I want M's, I step